Hi, I'm Mr. Potato, created by Mating.
Hi, I'm a flying cat created by Hannah.
Blub blub. Hello guys, I'm Miss Candy Fish.
Hello, Buzz Buzz. I'm Miss Astro Bee. Okay, let's meet our friend.
Hi everybody, I'm a delicious donut created by Angie.
Hi everyone, welcome to Starry animation workshop. Hey, I'm Abot the robot. I'm here on a mission from the future to save humanity from almost certain destruction. Our world is very threatened in the future, and we need your help to keep it safe. Let me take you on a trip to see the two main possible outcomes of our actions. The first outcome is what an unbalanced city will look like in the future. In a society, you can never have too much of anything. When government and councils are planning for an area, they have to make sure they are not affecting too many things. Elements such as fossil fuels will harm our atmosphere and heat up the planet, causing us to live in a more unpredictable state. Governments also manage the environment we live in and an economical balance. If governments change all the time, it could make countries very unstable. The second outcome is what our future will look like if we can control urbanization. First of all, we will need to protect our natural environment as much as we could, as a lot of the net resources we use come from the ecosystem. We need to make sure that there is a good balance between the number of thriving cities and places with environment. This way, we can ensure that we don't take away from the environment too much that we start losing it. If we can create organized policies and social systems, everyone can stay safe and comfortable. This will allow citizens to quickly understand what they need to do in order to help a situation. If we want to balance our population, we will need to make sure that everyone has a better education. We should be informing each other about important information so people can make decisions that are better for both themselves and the community. People will also need to be healthy and safe to ensure that they can reach some of the most important services they need. To come out with a good outcome, we will need to raise awareness in the community, treat people fairly, engage governments to take action, and manage what we use carefully. Well, it seems like outcome 2 is the way to go, and there's no better time to start improving our future than right now.